back to my YouTube channel. I'm here today with this fabulous install, and can you imagine, can you believe this? It's actually hair from Amazon. Yep. So 24 inches installed by myself. This is my first time having this type of wave. I'm so used to having straight hair or curly hair. You know, guys, I'm actually loving it. Like the flow of it, the way the pattern looks like, I think it's amazing. So I went for a minimalistic kind of look. Just edge over there, no edge here, just a little bit of hair dangling to give me shade, you know. Yeah, I think I like the hair forward, but I think it looks amazing, and I hope you get to learn something from my install, and I hope you enjoy the install. And guys, honestly, give hair from Amazon a shot, because who would have thought? Not me, but look at this, amazing. I can't stop playing with it. I just really love this company because it did actually come with a few beats. So it's Top Girl from Amazon. So Top Girl hair. I think it's quite affordable for what I actually got at the end. Guys, look at this. Amazing. Imagine. Oh, I don't even have a clip, guys. But honestly, look at this. Here I'm just showing you the hair straight out of the box, just raking my hands through it, just to show you how dense it is. It's 150% density, which is lovely. It's got 3 different combs. I usually just use the back one only when I'm installing my hair. By using the brush, I can see there's minimal shedding. Personally, I like to use wig caps when installing my hair, and I usually double them up just because once I do a bowl cap method, it always slips out. So having 2 caps provides a grip. So I'm just showing you a few bits that came on the box. As I mentioned in the beginning, it comes with a brush, a little headband. It also has lashes. Surprisingly, they're not terrible quality, they're actually pretty decent. And just again, just showing you the hair. There are various ways in which you can customize your lace, one of which will be bleaching, but I decided to skip this step because I've not perfected my skills. So the next step in customizing your lace is tinting your lace, or you can simply use a foundation powder. I love the one from Fenty, and that's what I'll be using. I apply that all across the frontal. Once I'm done spraying down my hairline, I just get my blow dryer. I usually start with the hot setting and then move on to the cool setting, just to make sure it's well tacky and stuck to my head. What actually helps in application is just using the tail of a rat hole comb in order to smooth it out and get an even application. It's also quite important to make sure your bulk cap matches your frontal, your complexion. So applying some foundation or foundation powder onto your bald cap will help. I've got a low hairline, so the usual trick I do in order to match the natural contour of my hairline is to separate portions of the wig, as you can see in the clip. And what this does is just mimic my natural hairline. So I usually just yank it out, just rip it off. Please do so at your own discretion. I can't guarantee that your lace won't rip, but that's what I usually do because I want to get it done. So the hair came pre-plucked, but I usually like just to go in with a bit more plucking, just minor. Again, I'm not the best at customizing hair, so this is what I just do to try to mimic my natural hairline. At the end of the day, we're trying to make it look less wiggy, trying to make sure that even without baby hairs, I can still pull the hair off. In the next section of the video, I'm just trying to show you 2 different methods in which you can actually stick down your wig. So the very first one is cutting through the lace into smaller sections. Once you get those smaller sections or flaps, as I like to call them, you literally spray some glue or some hairspray. Once that's done, use your hair dryer. Once it's a bit tacky, you can feel like it's dry. You feel free to cut it around the perimeter, okay? And you do this according to your hairline. Having a zigzag pattern just gives that illusion of, you know, a natural hairline, something that's growing off your scalp. What I prefer is the second method, which is getting the wig out of my head and actually marking points where I feel like it matches my natural hairline. So how do I do this? I usually just use like a eyeshadow or an eyebrow pencil to mark points on the wig. Once I mark off dot spots, using a scissors or a razor, I try to cut in sort of a zigzag dimension. So try not to cut it into a straight line, because then you have these like obvious line on your head, making it obvious that you're actually wearing a wig. But once I have the desired cuts, I literally just spray some more hairspray, try to get it to 2 layers as you can see in the video, and then stick down the wig. I like to start with the very center of the wig, try to get it right at the front, so where my forehead would be. Once I get it to the desired place, so you can go further along or further away, however you prefer, then I proceed to do the sides. Using the hairband provided by Top Curl Hair, I stuck down the hair to let it dry for about 15 to 25 minutes. So during that time, I just style the hair according to what I prefer. So I am more of a side part kind of girl, so that's why I decided to style it with. So using a concealer that matches your complexion, I used LA Girl concealer. I drew around the parting just to make it pop a bit more because I like it really defined. And then using any random mascara that you've got, I literally just covered up any spots that felt a bit gappy or white, or that I messed up with my concealer. Once you're happy with your parting, you just literally need to define it a bit more. I use a hot comb and hair wax, and I also use some hair oil just to make the hair shiny and pop. In terms of brushing out the curls, I just finger combed it. From here, you can style it however you wish. You can do edges, you can do them minimalistic, dramatic. This hair comes already pre-plucked, and that's literally it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you stay till the very end, as I'll be showing you the length of hair compared to my back. Really long hair, 24 inches body wave. Feel free to subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye, and see you in the next video. 'Cause baby, it's the everything for me.